So I know you guys have seen all these videos on the internet around passive income. Everyone's telling you can make money in your sleep. It's the easiest way to make money on the internet and things of that nature. A passive income business is still a business. You are not going to get results overnight. So this is not some get rich quick scheme, okay? You still have to treat it like a real business. You have to show up consistently. You have to promote your business. And then when you've put in the active work, guys, only then does the passive income follow. You can't just set it and forget it and hope that you're going to make some money. People talk about passive income, but they don't tell you that, it does take time for things to actually build up to the point where you're making that money in your sleep. For example, I have YouTube videos from 2017 that are still generating me passive income till this day. But here's the thing, I needed to shoot that video, right? Edit the video, do a ton of research prior to even shooting the video, planning the content. Not only that, I needed to promote those videos as well so more and more people could see the video. Where now I'm able to make passive income, guys. So it took some active effort to get to the point where I'm able to make passive income. So I'm not here to tell you guys that, you can start the passive income business today and start making money tomorrow. However, it's an easier way to make money once you get things right and once that momentum builds up. But the most important thing right now is for you to build up the foundation so that eventually, okay, a few weeks from today or a few months from today, you can start getting the results from your investment.